Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is February the 13th. So the chart of the day for today is copper right here, 60 minutes time frame. Now we can see in this 1 hour chart we ended with 2 at 4.184. Then it started the with 3 higher in the form of an impulse, in which we are calling this 1 and 2 completed here, and now it's about to break above the previous peak, which will confirm the end of this correction. Okay, now let's take a look here. The right side is green, which means we do have a bullish sequence here. If I zoom out and look at the daily time frame, so you notice here, after we bottom here, after we bottom in November last year, we have a 5 swing sequence. Now a 5 swing sequence is basically a bullish sequence because 5 is a motive sequence, right? So if I try to copy where we are right now, so this is 4.18, right? So it's around here, and then this is 1 and 2, right? So let me give you a couple of different possibilities here, and then you can consider yourself how to prepare. Right now, again, so the first thing I want to tell you is that 5 swing is bullish. The right side is bullish. So therefore, in that regards, selling or short selling is completely out of question, because again, you want to always be in the right side. Now, secondly, let's talk about some possibilities here. One possibility, for example, you might ask, is it possible this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then finish and then do a correction against this, right? So that's possible, right? Technically, something like this, right? A 5 ways up, diagonal, 3 ways down, and then higher again. But it is less likely. The reason is simple. If you take a look at the momentum right now is very strong, right? It's basically the highest momentum. It is higher than the previous one. If this is truly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the momentum should be lacking. It should be like a divergence like this. But the fact that the momentum is very strong suggests this is actually a nest, right? Now, so because it is, so therefore we rule out this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means if this is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then let's complete some of this down here. So that means it is a nest, right? So if it is a nest, that means this has to be a higher degree 1, 2, right? Again, I cannot label it like this because this high comes without any divergence, right? So therefore I label it as a nest. Now within a nest there are a couple of possible options here, guys. One option is actually, now this is actually a very bullish view here, right? 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, which is minimal correction here, finish here. But I think there is a less aggressive view in which let's say we are actually still within the same cycle, and therefore it's going to be ending 3 soon. Something like that is definitely less aggressive, but it's equally bullish, right? It's equally bullish. Now if I count it this way, then you're going to get a bigger pullback in the 4. But the pullback is still considered to be a correction, and it doesn't change the bullish bias at all. And then after that, you're going to continue to go higher again to basically finish 5. And then I'm just giving you one possible option here, in which still very much bullish, but not as bullish as this view we are presenting, which is the most bullish, in which this is like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's a triple nest. In that super bullish view, we are 3 of 3 of 3 now, which can really accelerate to the upside. This is the less aggressive view, which is equally bullish, that you need to know. In this kind of view, it really doesn't change anything. The bullish bias still remains in place. All it changes is the idea that the rally may not be as bullish as this view, and we can get another pullback again before higher again. Regardless, the bullish bias, the right side, still bullish, and therefore any kind of pullback is expected to find support in 3 swing, in 7 swing. Now, in terms of in the shorter cycle, the most sort of, because we have not broken above this previous peak here, we could theoretically speaking do this. Now if it does this, does it become bearish? No, absolutely not. All it does is, okay, well, you can adjust the count, you can put 2 here, you can call this ABC, and then it should find another buyers at the 100% extension area, right? Because you identifying the right side is bullish already, so it doesn't matter what the short-term movement is going to be. The short-term movement is always going to be finding buyers every single time at the 100% in 3 swing. So let's say if it doesn't go according to the forecast here and it drops here, then simple, the next 100% will find another support, because that will be 3 swings from the peak, right? If it breaks to new high as expected, then again, I think the other alternate I'm presenting to you guys, for example, I could have labeled it like this, which is less aggressive view, 1 2 3 4 5, like this. All right, and then that will be that new high could be ending, let's say, the wave 5, and also in the wave 3. Okay, so that will be the other option that you need to know. But again, any pullback should be finding support in 3 swing or in 7 swing. Alright guys, so that's the update here for today. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.